Hello, Greenforce users! Today, we'll show you how to efficiently track a surveyor using our platform. Let's dive in. Begin by clicking on the dashboard. This is your central hub for all survey-related activities. Navigate to the In Process Survey section. This is where you'll find surveys that are currently being conducted. Choose the specific survey you want to track from the list. Within the survey details, look for the Track Partner option. Click on Track Partner and then select Get Surveyor Location. This will provide you with the exact location of the surveyor in real time. And there you go. Tracking your surveyors is a breeze with Greenforce. Stay connected and informed throughout the survey process. Thank you for choosing Greenforce for your solar surveying needs.